friends, welcome to my YouTube channel World Maths. Today I am teach you class 6 math chapter 2 factor and multiple. Factor are that number that present in multiples like 15. The factor of 15 is 3 into 5 and multiple is the 3 into 5 is result in 15 is called multiple. I tell you some various type of number like odd number. Odd number is that number that cannot multiply by 2 like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Even number. Even number are that numbers that can be multiplied by 2 like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Prime number. Prime number is that number that cannot be multiple any factor like 1, 2, 3, 4 and some composite number. Composite number are that number that have two factor like 2 into 2 is 4. There are two factor. And important facts are that 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 is even number that is prime number. Next topic is divisibility test. The divisibility test are various to we know what is the multiple of number like 1, 2, 5, 7, 1. This is divisibility test by 2. We know divisible test by 2 that it is the 2 divisible by even number called it is odd number. So it is not divisible by 2, divisible by 3. The trick of divisibility test of 3, the sum of all numbers 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. 3. Trick of divisibility test of 3, the sum of all numbers 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 1. 3 plus 12 plus 1. 16 and 1 plus 6. This is not divisible by 3. 7 is not divisible by 3 and divisible test by 4. The two last number we divide by 4 and it cannot be divided by 4, so it cannot be multiple of 4. And the 5 test divisibility of 5 is the last number of test of 5 is the 70. There are unit number present in 0, 5, but there is 1. It is also not cannot be divided by divisible by 5. Divisibility of 7. The trick is divisibility of 7, 1, 2, 3 and unit number is minus multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 2 is 1, 2, 3, 0. And same the 1, 2, 3 into 0 into 2. Sorry, minus 0, 1, 2, 3 minus, and 1, 2 minus 3 into 6. Minus 2 into 3. 12 minus 6. And there 6. It is cannot divisible by 7.
Start.
And divisible test by 11. 11 is divisible test by 11. This number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, this number sum minus this number. 5 minus 4 is answer is 1. It is not divisible by 11. Thank you for the watching video. Please subscribe my channel and like and comments for questions. Thank you.